Yo, what's up guys? Easy Tips here. Ngayon guys, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano mag-fix ng black screen display capture sa OBS. Una-una guys, tingnan natin muna yung OBS natin, which is naka-black screen, yung display capture. And then, let's exit. Click nyo lang yung start ng window button. And then, search nyo lang graphic settings. Yon, graphic settings. There you go. Click browse. And then, yan. Punta kayo sa Windows C. And then, program files folder. There you go. And find the OBS Studio. After that, click the bin folder. Then also that one, 64-bit, and click the OBS 64-bit. So I'm running right now using 64-bit OBS. Then you need to add it. Click the add button and you will see here OBS Studio. After that, you need to click the option button, then select the power saving and just save it. Okay, and let's exit and check the OBS Studio if it's working. Okay, let's go. So there you go. As you can see here in our screen, it's working. So yeah, have a good day guys, and let's spread the good vibes, and yeah, haven't you lang always. Peace, yo.